storm, where courage is sworn, the blade of justice waits. Ride, warriors of truth, through the thunderous gates. Forged in the fire where the sky is proclaimed, tempered by trials, freed from the chains. The heavens are roaring, my stallion takes flight. Lightning beneath me, I ride for what's right. Steel in my hand, resolve in my soul. I ride for the just, I ride to be whole. Ride the lightning blade through the storm and the trace. With a feather at our side, we shall never fade. Ride the lightning blade, let the tyrants evade, for the hearts forged in faith will never be swayed. From the front lines of honor to deserts of flame, they tremble in hearing the rider's name. Injustice will falter, the wicked shall yield, for the brave march forth with the heavenly shield. With purpose I strike, with mercy I stand. By oath and by fire I ride on command. Ride the lightning blade on the wings of the brave, where the winds are wild and the tyrants crave. Ride the lightning blade, let the battle be made. Raise your hearts and your swords, let the storm cascade. Ooh, the storm is a witness, the blade is my guide. Ooh, through truth and through fire, with honor I ride. Ride the